Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef stock gravy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of good quality beef stock, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to season your gravy perfectly. This easy method ensures a rich and delicious result every time, perfect for any meal. Now let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until you have a smooth paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it achieves a light golden brown color. This simple step is key to a rich, flavorful gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the beef stock. Slowly pour in 2 cups of beef stock, whisking constantly as you do. This continuous whisking is essential to prevent any lumps and ensure a perfectly smooth gravy. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir occasionally. You'll notice the gravy beginning to thicken beautifully as it heats, creating that perfect consistency. Finally, let's season our delicious gravy. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed until it's just right for you. Allow the gravy to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Once it's perfect, remove it from the heat. Your homemade beef stock gravy is now ready to be served and enjoyed with your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.